Well, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the Mike Bassett Weather Forecast channel. I hope everybody's having a great Friday out there so far. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about the National Weather Service forecast chart for your weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Also, we'll take a look at the weather radar, also the National Weather Service watches, warning, advisories, and also we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for tonight, and also again for your Saturday, because we do have some severe weather ongoing, and I will get to that in just a few moments in this video. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. We're looking at the weather chart. This is for your Saturday, April 1st, 2023. We're looking at mixed precipitation over the northeastern United States, along with some severe weather possible for portions of New York and Pennsylvania. Showers and thunderstorms extending from Boston all the way back down to portions of Mississippi and Alabama and Louisiana. High pressure dominating pretty much the middle portion of the country. Mixed precipitation over Ohio, Chicago area, and also into Michigan, and also portion of Wisconsin and Montreal and Toronto, Canada. Also, we got some critical fire weather issues over here in portions of Colorado and New Mexico, and mixed precipitation, shower and thunderstorms extending from California, Northern California that is, to Vancouver, Canada, all the way back over to North Dakota, and this includes Montana and Idaho. Maybe a little bit of freezing rain possible over northern North Dakota and portions of southern Canada. Alright, now we're going to take a look at Sunday, April the 2nd, 2023. Quiet weather across the East Coast from Maine all the way down to Florida. Except some shower and thunderstorm activity around the Atlanta metro area, back to the Dallas-Fort Worth area and Oklahoma area and Tennessee region. High pressure dominate pretty much Kentucky, back to South Dakota, southern Montana, Wisconsin, and Michigan. Northern Michigan, we may have some mixed precipitation up in that region, all the way back over to North Dakota with some freezing rain possible. Still got some fire weather issues possible over portions of Texas and New Mexico. Also, we have snow and mixed precipitation flying over here in Wyoming, back to California, and all the way up in the Seattle, Washington vicinity and Vancouver, Canada, and also over around the Montana and Idaho region. All right, there's a look at the radar view across Lake New York, all the way into Vermont, New Hampshire, and portion of Maine. Shower and thunderstorms south of there around the Boston metro area, back towards portion of southern New York State, and also down into West Virginia. We got a cluster of shower and maybe some thunderstorm moving through North Carolina and Virginia, Wisconsin, and also portions of Ohio and Nebraska, and also Minnesota. Also, we have mixed precipitation, also some snow flying from northern Utah back up into southern Canada and Washington State. Showers, maybe a rumble of thunder also over here around Washington and Oregon State. We got a little bit of shower activity offshore of California. We got some showers possibly over the Gulf of Alaska, a few snow showers in Alaska, and also some showers over portions, and maybe a rumble of thunder too over the Hawaiian chain islands. Alright, let's take a look at the watches, warning, advisories across the lower 48. Quiet across upper New York State all the way to Maine. Also, we have wind advisory extending from western New York through PA. High wind warnings also in effect for southern PA, southwest PA through West Virginia, all the way down into western North Carolina. Also, wind advisories in South Carolina all the way over to northern Alabama, and also portions of Louisiana, all the way back up to Iowa. We've got tornado watches, tornado warnings going on from all the way up here near southern Wisconsin, also eastern Iowa, back down through Illinois, Illinois, all the way back down to Texas. Severe thunderstorm warnings there. We got severe thunderstorm watch for also in Tennessee and northern Mississippi. We have blizzard warning, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisory extending from South Dakota, portion of northern Nebraska, all the way into the Michigan and Wisconsin area. Also, we have high wind warnings also extending from portions of Missouri all the way into Oklahoma, northern Texas, and New Mexico, and also winter wind high wind watches in effect for northern Montana. Dense fog advisory for portion of Colorado. Also, we have winter storm warnings and advisories over here in portion of Washington State down into Oregon, Idaho, and portions of Wyoming and also Montana. Blizzard warnings in the red for South Dakota, Minnesota, and portions of Wisconsin as well. And red flag warning, like I said, from Texas all the way up into portions of Kansas and Colorado. Alright, here's a look at the Storm Prediction Center. They updated today's outlook. We got a high risk in the pink up here in portion of Illinois and also Iowa, and also portion of Arkansas, and also over here into northern Mississippi and southwest Tennessee. Moderate risk in the general thunderstorms in the lighter green areas. The significant severe weather, the high risk area, this includes Memphis, Tennessee, Davenport, Iowa, Iowa City, Iowa, Bartlett, Tennessee, and Moline, Illinois. Moderate risk is Indianapolis, Indiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Del Mar, Iowa, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Aurora, Illinois. Enhanced risk is Chicago, Illinois, Nashville, Tennessee, Cincinnati, Ohio, Louisville, Kentucky, Lexington, Fayetteville, Kentucky. Slight risk is Columbus, Ohio, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Cleveland, Ohio, Toledo, Ohio, and Birmingham, Alabama. And a marginal risk is Detroit, Michigan, Atlanta, Georgia, Akron, Ohio, Jackson, Mississippi, and Knoxville, Tennessee. And let's take a look at the tornado. This is 2% in the green, 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow, 10% in the yellow, 15% in the red, and 30% in the pink. And that's where your significant severe weather will be. And that's Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, St. Louis, Missouri, Del Mar, Iowa, and Little Rock, Arkansas. And south of there, that's the cities and towns. You're welcome to pause the video and find out if your locations are included. Alright, let's take a look at the wind probability. We got 5% in the brown, 10, 15 in the yellow, and also 30% in the red, 45% in the pink. And the significant severe weather is Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, and Cincinnati, Ohio. And 45%. You're welcome to pause the video and find out if your locations are included in that area as well. Alright, the hail, 5% brown, yellow 15, 30 in the red. Significant severe weather, Memphis, Tennessee, St. Louis, Missouri, Shreveport, Louisiana, Del Mar, Iowa, and Little Rock, Arkansas. And you're welcome to pause the video and find out if your locations are included. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at your Saturday outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. General thunderstorms out west. They have upgraded the marginal risk over much of the northeast United States. Slight risk also in effect for portions of most of the upstate in the northeastern United States. Marginal risk all the way around the Washington, D.C. area, all the way back to the Carolinas and portion of northern Florida. Slight risk also for southern Georgia and also southern South Carolina as well. And the marginal risks include Baltimore, Maryland, Boston, Massachusetts, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Raleigh, North Carolina, and Norfolk, Virginia. Slight risk, this includes New York, New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Newark, New Jersey, and Buffalo, New York. And let's take a look at the tornado probability. We got 2% in the green. That's through eastern South Carolina, back in the southeast portion of Alabama. Also portions of New Hampshire, all the way back down through the well down to Washington, D.C. 5% in that region as well. And let's see, 2%. This is New York, New York, Newark, New Jersey City, Yonkers, New York, and Columbus, Georgia. On the 5% is Tom River, New Jersey, Vineland, New Jersey, Lakewood, New Jersey, Atlantic City, New Jersey, and Long Branch, New Jersey. Alright, let's take a look at the winds probability. We got 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow, 5%. This includes Baltimore, Maryland, Boston, Massachusetts, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Raleigh, North Carolina, Norfolk, Virginia. 15%. This includes New York, New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Newark, New Jersey, and Buffalo, New York. And let's take a look at the hail probability. 5% in the brown, and does that include New York, New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Virginia Beach, Virginia, Newark, New Jersey, and Norfolk, Virginia. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got, and we will catch you back in the next one. Consider subscribing, like these videos, and share these videos. And have a great day, everyone.